I have officially challenged myself. The challenge is I'm going to put these two, this basketball and that basketball, wedged into that up there. I can lower it with this thing right here. And then so right now it's in the top hole, but anyways, so that's 10 feet. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to somehow get the basketballs out, and let's see how that goes. All right, let's go. And if you didn't know, I'm only 5 foot, so yeah. And if you're taller than me, like and subscribe. Let's go. I'm going for it.